going to say that I'm simplifying and I'm going to say the square root of 24. Again, I'm going to think of the perfect squares. Two squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, 4 squared is equal to 16, 5 squared is equal to 25. What number goes into 24? Of those numbers, which number evenly divides into 24? Well, the square root of 4 times the square root of 6, right? Because remember, 4 times 6 equals 24. Now, I'm purposefully using perfect squares because then I can simplify them. Notice that Mr. Adams put the 4 first. Why? Because I know that the square root of 4 is 2. And that is the same as 2 times, in other words, the square root of 24 is the exact same as 2 times the square root of 6. Let's verify that on our calculator, okay? So if I plug this into a calculator, the first thing I'm going to do is find the square root of 24. By the way, wouldn't that be between 4 and 5? Because we have 16 and 25 here, and 24 is between these two. Could be closer to 5 than 4. Look at what I got as a decimal, 4.89. Well, I think, if I did my math right, that should be the same as 2 times the square root of 6. And it is. Does that make sense? Now you might say, Mr. Adams, why is that simplified? It seems more complicated than the original one. It is. Just we have to wait to the next step to do the next thing, okay? But it is a simplified version. Any questions on that?